Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Hinge dating application. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Make sure that you've downloaded the Hinge mobile application on your mobile device, and once you have it, give it a tap to open. Now, you can continue signing up with your Facebook, or you can also continue with your phone number. Choose any one option and give it a tap. In today's video, I'm going to choose the phone number option, so let me tap on the last option. Now, you need to enter your mobile number on the next page and verify it with an SMS code. Tap on the drop down and select your country from the options. Now type in a mobile number that you have access to. Once you are done, tap on the arrow pointing towards the right hand side of the corner at the bottom right. Now enter your verification code that has been sent to your mobile number via SMS. Once you enter the code, your phone number will be automatically verified, and on the next page, tap on Create Account. Now, tap on the arrow at the bottom right, tap on Enter Basic Info button at the bottom of the page, and now type in your first name followed by your last name. Soon after you do that, tap on the arrow at the bottom right. On the next page, enter an email address that you'd like to associate and tap on the arrow at the bottom right one more time. Select your date of birth information by toggling the menu up and down. And remember that the age can't be changed later on your Hinge account, so make sure that you enter the correct date of birth information, and finally tap on the arrow at the bottom right. Confirm your age info in the pop-up by tapping on confirm, or if you'd like to edit, you can edit your birthday information one last time. Once you tap confirm, tap on add details and preferences at the bottom, enter your location by zooming into your place, and tap on the next button at the bottom right. Choose your gender from the next page. If you'd like the gender to be visible on your profile, tap on this little box beneath that says visible on profile. If not, leave it unchecked and tap on the arrow at the bottom right. Select your sexual preferences on the next page and tap the next button at the bottom right. Select your height, tap on the arrow at the bottom right. Answer other questions as well by selecting from the options and tap the next button one more time at the bottom right. On the next page, go ahead and select some of your pictures that you would want to make visible on your profile. Simply tap on the plus button and upload up to 6 photos in this page by tapping on the plus button, selecting one of the options. Choose a picture from your camera library, adjust the picture according to your preference, and tap done at the top right. Now, once you answer all of the information that has been asked to you along the process, you'll be able to create a new account for Hinge dating app. Tap on start sending likes and start discovering great people with this application. That is how you can easily join and create a new account on your Hinge dating app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.